Bridgestone recently unveiled the Turanza EV. Now this is their very first ever replacement tire designed exclusively for the electric vehicle market. But the way they engineered this tire sets it apart from other EV tires on the market. And that's why I think it's genius. Let me explain today as we talk tires. So the Turanza EV is an all-season grand touring tire designed for like a very niche market, at least for now. Only these sizes here are available as of May 2023 in both the United States and Canada, but Bridgestone says that another 13 sizes will be introduced in 2024. Now this means that right now you can go to your local tire dealer if you live in North America and you can get tires for only these vehicles here. Like I said, it's a pretty niche market. Now let's get to the genius part. What do most EV owners want? Like, how do they see themselves? Like if you're driving a Tesla or a Mach-E, yeah, you're enjoying the performance you get from those cars, but these drivers usually see themselves as green, right? They're environmentally conscious. They want environmentally friendly products. And I think that's the sentiment that Bridgestone has tapped into with this new tire. You see, the Turanza EV is the first Bridgestone tire to employ what the company calls Enlightened Technology, which in part allows Bridgestone to incorporate renewable and recycled materials when making a tire. In fact, the Turanza EV incorporates 50% renewable and recycled materials. Like they're using carbon black from recycled tires. They're using synthetic rubber derived from plastic bags and plastic bottles. They're using soybean oil instead of oil derived from crude oil. And they're using silica from rice husks, which according to Bridgestone are byproducts of rice harvesting and usually just thrown out. So if you drive a Tesla or if you drive a Mach-E, well, now you can boast about how green your car is and how green your tires are. Like, hey, did you know that even my tires are green? 50%, but they're still 50% green. That are made with ingredients from old tires, old shopping bags, old plastic bottles. They're made with soybean oil, and they're made with stuff that usually they throw out when they're growing rice. Like I said, genius. Now, if you don't drive an EV but have been thinking about all-weather tires or maybe run-flat tires, check out the videos here. And as always, thanks for watching.